Good evening, friends. I hope you all are doing well in your life. The topic for today's discussion is Indian Army 3-year internship. Now, here the word I have used internship, not a regular recruitment. So, why I have chosen this and what were the other procedures through which your Jawans and your officers were recruited, I'm going to talk about in this video. So, without wasting much of your time, let's start the discussion. So, if I talk about earlier recruitment process, that was through exams. Exams like your NDA, your CDS, these all were exams for your permanent commission. And if I talk about short commission, that through which army officers or your jawans were recruited, that was your technical entries. And after that, you know that you have to go through SSB procedure, and after that we have this medical examination through which army personnel are recruited. So now whatever news I'm telling you through is through these media persons also, only. I am not the official chief CDS combined defense service. Mr. Vipin Rawat has not said anything officially, but kind of possible recruitment will be held. This kind of procedure will be go. So now what is this tour of duty for 3 years? Now all the civilians who are very much inclined towards army or for defense persons, defense background or defense, they are interested in defense or defense background, they can easily join army, air force, navy for 3 years. So now what is the tour of duty, how it is going to be implemented? So it has been found that this tour of duty is basically started just because to resurgence of nationalism and patriotism. So here it has been found that there are not very few people. There are many people who are very much inclined toward these defense forces and other things also. So if a person who are very much inclined toward defense person, he can also join this uh, part. We can also be a part of this 3-year internship where he can get exposure of army also, and also he can, after his 3 year of experience internship or whatever recruitment, after that he can also leave the force. So now if I talk about medical part or any other thing, there will be no leniency will be tolerated. All the medical standard or the physical standard will be completely high, at high level only. There will be no change in medical standard or physical standards. So what are the benefits of this tour of duty? Basically, as I told you earlier also, that it is going to be for the person who are very much inclined towards army and who are unable to join army due to several reasons. Maybe can be their financial reason or any reason through which they are unable fail to join army. Through this process they can go in for go to army and join army, and they can get the exposure of that. Now now you are very much well aware of the fact that army is basically living life less ordinary. Means it is a life which gives you immense pleasure, also full of patriotism. If I talk about money also, it is also good, as good in right now. So whosoever is very much interested can also join this part of this 3-year internship program. So if I talk about other countries like Israel, it is mandatory that every person, whether it is male or female, he or she has to do that army training for 1 or 2 year compulsory. It is there, so that they can also defend their defend their country also. Not only it is not about defending the things, it is also about keeping it means keeping all the things in a disciplined manner, or how you can live your life in a disciplined manner. So this is how it is going to be work. And it was one more thing was also there, that earlier it was found that whosoever was joined army through a short commission, it was found that they were too old after if they want to join this thing, your private sector. So at that time they become almost they are aged also, it has been found, because after their short commission they also go for MBA or other courses also. Till the time they join any corporate sector, their age matters at that time, because kind of lack of knowledge in that field. So it has been found that if a person recruit army after 25-year age, so if he got if he or she retired after this 3 year of internship or tour of duty, I think that will be also age of young age only. So that can also definitely help corporate sector also, because even in corporate sector also we have our ex-army personnel also who are working very happily. So one more thing is also there that they are also planning for, that is inverse induction. So what is this inverse induction? You must have heard about this reserve police, means that they are paramilitary forces, like we have this CAPF, where it was they are basically planning for a new thing that if CAPF also join army for 2 to 3 years, or two 2 to 3 years, then they can also join army also, and after this process of 2 to 3 years, they can also go back to their parent unit where they were earlier they were came from. So what are the benefits? Basically, there will be very much you can say that time management will be there. The time which they invest for their training purpose, that will also be decreased. They are already experienced, they are stalwart persons, so we can also save time and money also. So if I talk about little bit fact and figure about how much money is invested on any simple of any officer. For example, for short commissions, we have 10 years. Just imagine that if a person is recruited for short commission, and almost it has been found that 5.12 crores of money has been invested on any officer for their anything, for their allowance, whether any packages given to it, means all over the means complete package, whether from their payment to pension, it is about 5.12 crore. Then we have this 14 year of commission, where you can say that permanent commission, where almost the CTC is about 6.83 crore. It is same as means somewhere it is different from short commission. And if just imagine if this 3 year of internship or tour of duty will be there almost on every officer, there will be 80 lakh 80 lakh of amount of money will be invested on every officer. It Now it has been found that almost 100 officers and 1000 jawan will be recruited through this process. Now, as I told you earlier also, officially it has been not announced by any ADGPI or any through government also. It has been leaked, you can say that leaked uh, news. So if even if it is implemented, I think it is completely good for the any person, for our country also. So this was all about tour of duty or about Indian Army 3 year of internship. So if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can write down in your comment section. So take care of yourself, and thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind.